Hi guys, what's going on? It's the digital tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to exceed the Discord file limit without Nitro. So normally on Discord, if I come to the app, if I actually try and send a video, for example, what I'm going to do is select this one as an example, which is 45.4 megabytes. And I try and send that, what's going to happen is it's going to come up with a error message, well, not an error message, but basically a message saying that your files are too powerful. The maximum file size is 8 megabyte. So to get around this, there is a workaround, and what we need to do is come to a site called imgur.com, imgur.com. And what we're going to do is just hit the new post button up here. And then what we're going to do is just grab that video file that we tried to post, and we're going to just drag that into Imgur. So it's just going to take a second to go through, and you can see that started uploading. It's doing it fairly fast. So whilst that's doing that, I'm just going to give this a title. Also, if you do find this video helpful, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more how-tos, step-by-step tutorials and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So that's just getting to the end now. Obviously, it depends on the file size. I mean, this is actually about 40 megabytes. Let's have a look a minute now. So if I right click and go into properties, and yeah, you can see this is 45.4 megabytes, which is quite a bit over the 8 megabyte limit set by Discord. And you can see that's finished uploading. What it's doing now, it's just optimizing the video to bring it out in the best possible quality. Just takes a minute or two to run through and optimize. And you can see that that's now uploaded onto Imgur. So the next step from here is to click the copy link button up here. And you'll see it will come up with copied and a tick. And then what you can do is either go to the Discord web browser application, or you can do this via the Discord app. And all you want to do is just literally hit Control and V to copy and paste that link from Imgur, hit enter, and you'll see that's uploaded it onto the server. And what it's actually done is actually embedded that onto the server. So it looks like the video's been directly uploaded onto Discord. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.